Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now we're paying very close attention to a tropical wave in the eastern Caribbean this evening, moving very slowly towards the west. We're expecting the system to be near the Jamaica area late tomorrow going into Wednesday. There's also the likelihood of increased shower activity across the island as a result. Currently we're expecting the movement to continue slowly through the period. Now, in the Western Caribbean, we have that tropical wave moving away, but we still have those clouds and those isolated showers associated with it across Cuba and also across the Jamaica area. We did have some isolated shower activity affect sections of Westmoreland and also sections of Trelawney earlier this afternoon. Scattered low clouds over the southwest, not much in terms of any significant activity. Now the forecast tonight, expect some lingering clouds across the east, but it's generally fair elsewhere. Temperatures are dropping to 26 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and Montego Bay. Expect northerly winds on the south coast tonight and southeasterlies on the north coast. Now in the morning tomorrow, we are expecting some shower activity across sections of St. Mary and Portland, but it's generally fair to partly cloudy elsewhere for the afternoon. An increase in showers and thunderstorms is expected across central and western parishes. Now temperatures 35 degrees Celsius, that's the maximum we're expecting for Kingston and for Montego Bay. Expect some isolated afternoon showers tomorrow if you're in the southwest, particularly across sections of Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. There's also the likelihood of shower activity in Mandeville and in Maypen. Isolated showers are expected across the inland areas of the west tomorrow, so that's in Christiana. Showers are also possible for Grange Hill, Duncans, as well as K Valley. Expected to be mostly cloudy for much of the day in Richmond and Moortown. Also in Golden Spring, generally stable conditions are likely for the afternoon in Port Marie and Port Antonio, with windy conditions prevailing. The winds are expected to continue through to Wednesday, but we do have an increase in showers and thunderstorms also likely on Wednesday. It's partly cloudy for most of the day on Thursday. For the marine forecast, the winds are easterly at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast, with the wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, the winds are getting up to 20 knots and lifting waves to 2 meters. Our small craft warning stays in effect for offshore areas. We're expecting winds at 20 to 25 knots from the east, with wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. And it's unlikely to be any significant changes in offshore winds over the next few days. Easterlies at 20 to 25 knots Wednesday and Thursday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow 6:41. Sunset at Negril Point is 6:47. And that's it for the weather report and forecast this evening. We thank you so much for watching.